Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy MCC3, aka Psychosis. I'm at the homie Dill's right now, cooking some burgers and shit. And you want me to kick something to this DJ Premier Hands Up beat. So, check me out. Hey, yo. One thing's for certain, when I go in, I'm hurting. I'm like a big dick ripping a motherfucking virgin. I spit sick. Yeah, I'm a gifted wordsmith, a perverted version of a fucking preacher's sermon. I'm like a demon creeping right beneath the surface. My words spit disperse like the heat from a furnace. I get on your nerves quick, worse than when the tweaker's nerves twitch. But you best believe this worse shit. Like me with an axe in the hand, attacking the track like it's the wrath of the lamb. So you can watch his beat get slammed. Well, I proceed to dance with the damned. I'm a fucking beast of a man, but a plan to unleash such a disease upon the land that if you happen to reach for a can, I might turn into a leech and happen to sink its teeth into your hand. And if you think it's a dream, I'll try not to sleep if you can. See, when it comes to beef, I just grind it through my teeth and spit it out my glands. But to get it like this, I couldn't have did it without my fan. My whole life I've been living in the heat without a fan. Living on the streets and nothing to eat but some goddamn span. And you wonder why my ego's ironclad with a lion stance. I'm lethal, original like that people's chant. My message is subliminal, yeah, I have a criminal past, that's why I ain't saying shit. Crush you with the palm of my hand without making a fist. Then I take you to class while I chase a fifth with the fifth and watch as my brain shifts and take aim at your main bitch. She didn't hesitate, she was a heavyweight when it came to taking the dick. She loved to taste it, but she would no longer shake it, cause shaking it made her sprain her wrist. So to explain this, I guess I'm just dangerous. Nothing as strange as Chris. I break your ribs with a flying crane kick. Switch my aim, explosive tip, so I won't miss. My flow ferocious and corrosive like a cobra spit. I keep the mic open like I'm supposed to. Shit, I was fucking chose for this. I'm one of the dopest, bitch, and if you don't know, then you ain't been exposed to Chris. Lights, camera, action now. Focus in. But be careful not to expose your chin, cause my fist's swollen and it's closing in. It's like that omen chose my sin. The wordplay sway from the blowing wind. I'm burning your brain from the smoking pen. The words that I say from the hope within. And that's just raw stature. So let me ask you something. If I was to pull out some heat and told you to cock that hammer, would you let the trigger go? Or would you cop on your grammar cause you were just talking at your ass? Alright, let me cut to the chase and my foot stuck on the gas. I hate this new age crap, all these emo ass fags in the skinny jeans and plaid backpacks, and they thinking they have swag but they can't rap. All the way in Hollywood but they can't act. So y'all call me hood for the way that I crack back and crack off like yo soda on the stove and it's being cooked by butt naked hoes. I got them like whoa, black raw. But you never been to a trap spot where you got goons with masks on ready to clap off if you act wrong? Shit, you lied about your past, dog. You're not really a G, you're just a fucking flea with rags on. You trying to be what you heard in rap songs. Just cause you rock ice pointed to the air and let your gap pop. That doesn't mean you get credit for that, dog. Shit, to me you're more like the kid in the sandbox playing with your matchbox while I got your bitch on the back block sucking mad cock. So you sucker motherfuckers better back off, cause I'm about to blast off and rush you like an attack dog on Black Ops. And now my hat's off. My fist pump, I'm knuckled up, that ring sounds. My vision's blurred, I'm going berserk. It's time to unleash with the heat and let that beast out. And watch you street clowns bleed out as I reach for the king's crown. I go up and smoke like they're drawing my greenhouse. And then I look at you motherfuckers and say what? We chief down and I can throw pound for pound and never see crown? My God, I gotta say, peace out.